The Red Balloon. Leo is at the park. It is a sunny day. The sky is blue. The trees are green. Many children are playing. Leo walks with his mom. He sees a man with balloons. There are red balloons. There are blue balloons. There are yellow balloons. There are green balloons. Leo looks at one red balloon. It is big. It is bright. It moves in the wind. Leo smiles. "Mom, can I have a balloon?" he asks. Mom looks at the red balloon. "Yes," she says, "but hold it carefully." Leo nods. "I will." Mom buys the red balloon. The balloon man gives it to Leo. "Hold the string," the man says. Leo holds the string tightly. "Thank you," Leo says. The red balloon moves up and down. Leo laughs. "It wants to fly," he says. Mom smiles. "Yes, but do not let it go." Leo walks through the park. He holds the balloon string. He sees a dog. The dog sees the balloon. The dog jumps. "Woof, woof!" Leo laughs. "No, dog, this is my balloon." The dog jumps again. The balloon moves high. Leo holds the string tighter. Mom says, "Be careful, Leo." "I am careful," Leo says. Then the wind blows. Whoosh! The red balloon pulls up. Leo holds the string. The wind blows again. Whoosh! The balloon pulls harder. Leo's hand slips. "Oh no!" Leo says. The string leaves his hand. The red balloon flies up. "Come back!" Leo says. The balloon floats over the grass. Leo runs after it. Mom runs behind him. "Leo, slow down," Mom says. The balloon flies past the dog. The dog runs too. Woof, woof! Now Leo is running. Mom is running. The dog is running. The balloon flies higher. Then it floats toward a tree. Leo stops. The red balloon is stuck in the tree. It is not too high. It is on a low branch. Leo points. "There it is!" Mom looks up. "Yes, I see it." Leo jumps. He cannot reach it. He jumps again. He still cannot reach it. The dog jumps too, but the dog cannot reach it. Leo looks sad. "My balloon is stuck." A tall boy comes near them. He has a basketball. "Do you need help?" the boy asks. "Yes," Leo says. "My balloon is in the tree." The tall boy looks up. "I can help." He stands under the tree. He reaches up. He touches the string. But then the wind blows again. Whoosh! The balloon leaves the branch. It flies away again. "Oh no!" Leo says. The tall boy laughs. "Sorry." The balloon floats toward the pond. Leo runs after it. Mom follows him. The dog follows too. The tall boy follows with his basketball. The balloon goes over the pond. Leo stops near the water. "No," he says, "not the pond." The red balloon floats down. It touches the water. Then it moves across the pond. A duck sees the balloon. The duck swims to it. "Quack, quack." Leo points. "The duck has my balloon." The duck bites the string. Then the duck swims away. Mom laughs. "I think the duck likes red." Leo does not laugh. "That is my balloon." A girl near the pond has a long stick. She is playing with leaves in the water. She sees Leo. "Is that your balloon?" she asks. "Yes," Leo says. The girl holds out the stick.
She reaches for the string. The duck swims away. "Come here, duck," the girl says. The duck does not come. It swims faster. The red balloon follows the duck. The dog barks at the duck. Woof! The duck quacks. Quack! The tall boy laughs. "This is a very busy balloon." Then the duck lets go of the string. The balloon floats back toward the grass. Leo runs to it. He reaches out, almost. But the wind blows again. Whoosh! The balloon flies over the pond fence. It floats down the street. Leo looks at Mom. "Can we follow it?" Mom looks at the street. Then she takes Leo's hand. "Yes, but we walk. We do not run near the street." Leo nods. "Okay." They walk after the balloon. The dog cannot follow them. Its owner calls, "Buddy, come back." The dog runs back to its owner. The tall boy waves. "Good luck." The girl waves too. "Catch it!"
Leo and Mom walk along the sidewalk. The red balloon floats slowly. It floats past a flower shop. It floats past a bakery. It floats past a bus stop. People look up. A woman points. "Look at that balloon!" A little boy says, "It is flying alone." Leo says, "It is not alone. I am following it." The balloon floats near the bakery door. The bakery door opens. Warm air comes out. The balloon moves down. Leo runs 2 steps. Mom says, "Walk, Leo." Leo walks fast. The balloon string touches the bakery sign. It gets stuck. Leo smiles. "I can get it." He reaches for the string, but the baker opens the door again. The warm air pushes the balloon up. The string leaves the sign. The balloon flies away. Leo puts his hands on his head. "Again?" The baker comes out. "Was that your balloon?" he asks. "Yes," Leo says. The baker smiles. "That balloon is having a big day." Leo sighs. "Yes, a very big day." The balloon floats across the sidewalk. It floats near the bus stop. An old man is sitting there. He has a newspaper. The string falls near his hat. The balloon pulls his hat up. The old man looks surprised. "My hat!" Leo runs to him. "I am sorry," Leo says. The old man stands up. The balloon string is around his hat. The hat is going up. Mom reaches out and catches the hat. The balloon pulls. Mom holds the hat. Leo holds Mom's arm. The old man holds his newspaper. Everyone looks very serious. Then the string slips off the hat. The hat falls into Mom's hands. The balloon flies away again. The old man puts on his hat. "Thank you," he says. Leo looks at the balloon. It is still going. The old man laughs. "That balloon does not like staying home." Leo smiles a little. "No, it does not." The balloon floats toward a small playground. There is a little girl sitting on a bench. She is crying. Her ice cream is on the ground. Her mother is cleaning her dress. The little girl looks very sad. The red balloon floats down near her. It stops on a small fence. Leo sees it. "My balloon!" he says. He walks quickly to the fence. This time, there is no wind. This time, there is no dog. This time, there is no duck. Leo takes the string. He holds it tightly. "I got it," he says. Mom smiles. At last. Leo looks at the red balloon. Then he looks at the little girl. She is still crying. She looks at the balloon. Her eyes get big. Leo walks to her. "Do you like balloons?" he asks. The little girl nods. Yes. Leo looks at his balloon. He thinks for a moment. He followed the balloon through the park. He followed it past the pond. He followed it past the bakery. He followed it past the bus stop. Now he has it again. But the little girl is sad. Leo gives her the string. Here, he says. You can have it. The little girl stops crying. For me? She asks. Yes, Leo says. The little girl smiles. Thank you. She holds the balloon string. Her mother smiles at Leo. That is very kind, she says. Leo smiles. You're welcome. Mom puts her hand on Leo's shoulder. That was a good thing to do. Leo looks at the balloon. It moves gently in the air. Now the little girl is happy. Leo feels happy too. They walk back to the park. The balloon man is still there. He sees Leo. Where is your red balloon? He asks. Leo points to the playground. I gave it to a little girl. The balloon man smiles. That was kind. Then he takes a small yellow balloon. This one is for you, he says. Leo looks surprised. For me? Yes, the balloon man says. But hold it carefully. Leo takes the yellow balloon. He holds the string with both hands. Mom laughs. Both hands? Yes, Leo says. This balloon is not going on an adventure. The yellow balloon moves in the wind. Leo looks at it. Do not even think about it, he says. Mom laughs. Leo walks home with Mom. He has a yellow balloon. The sky is still blue. The wind is still soft. Leo is tired, but he is happy. It was not a normal day at the park. It was a balloon adventure.